Yeah, they'll do another work. And Norley not doing other work. You can't get wet, bro. I'm a YouTuber.
Hey, Astrid, thank you. Thank you for making us park 4.5 miles away. Thank you.
All right.
Really
this is the start of a really, really good idea. We're gonna go camping at Hogan's Key. We're here at Gasparilla Island. It's gonna be about 4 miles of extra fun kayaking there. We're gonna camp for the night. It's gonna be a challenge because we like a challenge. Right, Dale?
Yep.
All right, let's do this. Got that island over there. You see it over there. What are you guys doing today? Not bad weather. Thought it was gonna be too windy, but it's not bad. Sandbar bridge over there. We came from over there.
Norley's actually doing some work. Pulling the kayak over the sandbar. We're about, I would say, 2.5 miles, maybe 3 miles away from Kayaking Key. We're on the sandbar here, just passing over to Boca Grande area. Over there, that beautiful bridge. Beautiful day. Sunset's coming. We're hitting about evening time as well, huh? Yeah, we're headed, like I said, to Kayaking Key, and we're almost there. It's getting a little deeper here. About to get back in the kayak and scoped out a new island that we'll probably hit right over there, where the sandbar is. Come back over and do that next time. We're gonna get back in. You ready?
Alright, so we're almost there. It's been a brutal ride. Yeah, brutal ride. The island's right there. What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
It's the greatest.
Right? You were paddling to the right.
See, I'm trying to paddle that way. You see how I'm not
We're out in there. We made it. It took us about almost an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. It was brutal. The water was very tough. It kept pushing us and dragging us, pushing us and dragging us. But Dale brought us home. I was just sitting here the whole time. This is our camping spot, bro. Right there. Woo! Woo! We did it! Yeah! Yes! Oh shit. Let me get my bag of water. Oh, my back. Oh, look, a little fire. Oh, this is the spot. Oh, yeah. Woo! it's so windy right now.
God, we made it.
Oh my God.
We made it.
Oh, I gotta be. Alright, so we're gonna go to set a camp. It's very windy, so we don't want to be staying where so much wind. So we're gonna go here. Woo! What? Campsite here. We will be very close to the water. Woo, that was a rough ride. We definitely, you know, we're like, this is taking so long because the waves keep pushing and pulling and pushing and pulling. But we made it. We might have to take a different direction because the 4 mile was rough. Right, Dale? But limitless, bro. No excuses.
Number one.
Number one.
Number one trip.
All right, the sun is going down. Beautiful. Nice and chilly. I like it. It's gonna be a chilly night. We're having a hard time with the fire. Hopefully we can get it because it's so windy. If not, it's okay. I think we'll make it. We're in Florida. Dale, you gotta help me put the fire, bro. Come on.
Good morning, bro.
Dale, what are you doing?
Yo, it's your boy, Dale Franklin. Out here at the Sunset Renewals. Eating nuts. Eating nuts, bro. Locals out here. Enjoying my life.
Island boy. We got fire. Finally, we pick a right spot where it's not windy. And Dale got his masterpiece in fire with my tools and his brain and my recording. I think we got it. I think we got it.
Yeah, buddy.
We might make it one night.
Mike.
Time to get up. It's 6:30. Can't really see much, but let's wake up. Almost back to the bridge. There is pulling the kayak. Damn, is it cold? It's cold, yeah. We're second island here. I got no shoes, so I almost got cut. So yeah, not bad. It took us a little less time than last time. So it wasn't as bad when we started. But it's pretty good. Beautiful to be there.